What happens? There is no age of retirement because for some reason I did not mention in my letter of appointment, or I don't issue letter of appointment to my people. So there is no age of retirement. So what will happen? That my employee will work till his death. Because unfortunately the act which governs me, Shops Act, doesn't speak anything about it. If I have to give layoff because I am not doing well, I have to pay full wages, the very purpose of giving layoff is lost. Because industrial dispute act says, if you are less than 50, you are not covered, we are not concerned, you manage your own thing. Then from where do I get? Same question arose, implementation of discipline. If a person commits some misconduct, I issue him charge sheet. I say, you are not required, don't come for work. Then for committing a misconduct or for indiscipline, I keep on rewarding him by paying 100% wages for want of provision. I think these are the issues which requires to be addressed and looked into by the government on urgent basis. Same thing happens then in Karnataka. Now our government speaks of progressive government. We are fast, everything. Maharashtra speaks of it. In Karnataka, there exists already a notification giving exemption for 3 years from application of Standing Orders Act on certain conditions, IT sector. Why it takes so much time for issuing such type of notification in this state? Unfortunately, no answer. The persons who can answer are not present. That is our fate.
So IT industry in Karnataka has a notification of exemption under the standing orders for 5 years. Under some conditions are kept intact to protect, otherwise it is exempted. And that is the only notification which we are aware of all over India. The next we come to is the MRTU and PULP Act. Now we have in Maharashtra specifically, we have the Prevention of Unfair Labour Practices Law. We all are aware that when settlement is signed between the workmen and the management, there are certain do's and don'ts for either party. Management is required to give some payouts. Workmen are supposed to do productivity. That is encompassed in the settlements. The MRTU and PLP Act has a provision that if the management does not pay the money, you go to the court and get a stay order, get an injunction. But if the workmen do not give production, there is no section in that book. Since 1975 that anomaly is there. We have been pointing out to the government, but nobody has bothered to take an action.
In fact, I will just like to interrupt by